off to my first club ride. I did one maybe 3 years ago. I was in trainers, it was tough, so hopefully this will go a little bit better. So everyone is here and we're just about to set off, just having a quick chat before we go, and it's with Bury Clarion Cycling Club, so let's see how I get on. I'm so excited actually. Let's go. How's my first ride been with you all?
Kept together very well.
Well, thank you kindly. Thank you so much for having me out. And yeah, try again.
10 mile an hour quicker.
Is it? Shit. But we've had this gentleman here absolutely boot camping us out. Just like, go, go, go! Loved it.
You did really well.
Oh, thank you. You're just so kind to me. I loved it though, genuinely. Thank you so much.
The next lead out,
Yeah.
just a little bit faster.
I'll try. I'll try. Am I too slow? Oh, am I too slow?
Lead out for what? No. The hill. The hill. Oh. Yeah.
It's a little bit. Right, well thank you so much and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone! I'm back. I've had a drink and I've had some cornflakes. I just wanted to kind of chat to you about how it had all gone. So when I first started riding, I rode with Bolsover. I can't think what the name of the Bolsover club's called. But yeah, I rode once with them, but it was when I had trainers. I literally just started out and they were so lovely, but I don't live that way anymore. So I don't know why, I've just never ridden or joined a club. So I was gonna see how I go with Bury, but it was so good. Like, one of the guys, he was just honestly, he was just like, do this, do this, do this. It was like proper boot camp. I really liked that because it just made me work a lot harder than I would have done if I was just kind of just on my own. So I don't know, how many of you actually ride with clubs? Do you recommend riding with clubs? Have you got faster riding with clubs? Because generally we've just always ridden like as like the vegan cyclists, like the few of us that are around here. So yeah, maybe it would be quite nice just to join a club. So give me your recommendations, let me know what you think of it. And yeah, that was today's nice little ride out, and I will see you next video.